Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be ranking the top 6 best rifles in Copsnrobbers. Keep in mind this is my opinion, and the ranking can change around a bit depending on the person. Alright, coming in at number 6 we got the Abyss Lord RX. This can only be achieved through zombie mode. It's got 2-shot capabilities, high fire rate, which puts it up on the list, but lacks a little bit of accuracy.
Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill. Godlike. 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 Godlike.
Nice.
Number 5, you got Savory AR. Lots of power, it can easily 2-shot, good accuracy, and yeah, overall solid gun.
Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill. Godlike. 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 Godlike.
Number 4, Unicorn Rifle. Can 2-shot, high accuracy, but it doesn't quite do as much damage as Pioneer AR.
Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill. Godlike. Godlike. Godlike.
Number 3, Pioneer AR. Comes out of the Battle Pass, has more power than the Unicorn Rifle, good accuracy, and can 2-shot.
Pentakill. Godlike. 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 Godlike.
Number 2, Famas. Famas has super high fire rate, super high accuracy, and with the right cards and armor you can 2-shot at most ranges.
Double kill. Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill. Godlike. 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 Godlike.
Okay, then the best rifle in the game goes to Mechanical Carrot. It can 2-shot and has 108 fire rate, which is higher than most 2-shots, and also has good accuracy.
Triple kill. Quad kill. Pentakill. Godlike. 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 Godlike.